Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add business hours in your Divi WordPress website. So first of all, I can log in into my temp website, and after that we can add business hours. Just add backslash then wp-admin, and after that here we can install a new plugin. Search for Divi Superme plugin. And here you can see this is the plugin that we are going to install, and it contains multiple modules. Just you can install this plugin, and after that let's go back to the pages. Then we can view this page on the front side, and after that let's enable Divi Viewer Builder. And this is the page builder like Elementor Pro. And after that we can easily add and delete any section that we need. So now let's scroll down, and in the end here we can add a new section. Just find out plus icon, then add a regular section, then let's add a new row, and after that search for business hours. So just add this module, and after that here add a new item, then go to text, and after that here add starting and ending time. Then here you can select the day. So simply just add, for example, (8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and here we can add a day, for example Tuesday. Then here you can see how it works, and just you can clone it or duplicate it. Then here you can change the text. For example, you can replace it with the Monday. And then here you can add remaining days, duplicate and replace the content. Then here you can go to design tab. Then here you can change the text color. For example, day text color if you want to change. So it has changed into red color. And you can also change the color for the time text. Then here you can see various typography options. You can change font family, font weight, as well as you can change the text size, whatever you like. And after that you can also add increase line height. Then here you can see box shadow, separator, and various other options. Then now click on three dots and save it. So in this way you can easily add business hours in your Divi WordPress website.